Good morning. We will continue our topic mole concept. Let us summarize it. As shown in the figure, 1 mole of carbon has a mass of 12 grams. This 1 mole of carbon or 12 grams of carbon contains Avogadro number of carbon elements or atom 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon element. Next example, magnesium. 1 mole of magnesium has a mass of 24 grams. It means 1 mole of magnesium contains Avogadro numbers of magnesium atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of magnesium. For calculating number of moles, we should know certain key symbols. Likewise, given here, number of moles are represented by small n, given mass represented by small m, molar mass capital M, given number of particles capital N, Avogadro number of particles N naught or Na in certain cases. Relation between these symbols. Number of moles can be calculated in two ways here. In first one, mass of substance divided by molar mass, that is m upon m. Number of moles can also be calculated by given number of molecules, particles, atoms, molecules or ions divided by Avogadro number n upon n naught. These relations can be interchanged as m equal to n into m and capital N equal to n into n naught. Page number 42, first question. If 1 mole of carbon weighs 12 gram, what is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? Given molar mass of carbon m is represented by 12 gram. Number of moles of carbon represented by small n given is 1. Number of carbon atom in 1 mole, that is Avogadro number, which is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. We have to calculate mass of 1 atom of carbon, small m. As we know, m equal to n upon n naught into m. Now we have to fill the values here. Number of carbon atom, here is 1 atom of carbon, that's why we will fill here 1. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 multiply molar mass of carbon, that is 12. Now we will remove the decimal points. There are 1, 2, 3, means 1, 2, 3 into 12 upon 6022 into 10 raised to power minus 23. Then it will be 12,000 upon 6022 into 10 raised to power minus 23. We have to divide now. Here we have done the division. Answer will be 1.9. So we'll put the value here. 1.9 into 10 raised to power minus 23. So mass of 1 atom of carbon is 1.9 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. Question number 2. Which has more number of atoms? 100 grams of sodium. Second part, 100 grams of iron. Given atomic mass of sodium is 23U and of iron is 56U. As we know, number of atoms can be calculated as n equal to m upon m into n naught. For sodium, we can calculate m. given mass here is 100. It will be 100 upon molar mass of sodium is 23 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. When we calculate 100 upon 23, it will be 4.3, which will be multiplied with 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Then after multiplication of this Avogadro number into 4.3, we will get 25.89 into Avogadro number का ये जो पावर है, that is 10 raised to power 23. These are number of atoms of sodium in 100 kg. Now we will calculate it for iron. Again, given mass of iron is 100 divided by molar mass of iron 56 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. When we divide 100 by 56, it will be 1.7 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. After multiplication, number is 10.23 approx into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of iron. Now we can compare. For sodium, answer is 25.89 into 10 raised to power 23. For iron, it is 10.23 into 10 raised to power 23. Which have more number of atoms? Sodium. Answer will be 100 gram of sodium have more numbers of atoms.